Palagay ko, naintindihan nyo lahat ganyan. Itong akin. Sa publiko yung sa akin. Ang sinasabi ng publiko ngayon, nanonood sa atin, dapat you should not resort in too much technicalities kasi ang public interest ang iniisip nila rito. They want to expedite the proceedings. They want the trial, not rules. They're interested in the trial, not rules. In the interest of justice, sabi nga nila, sometimes rules are not sacrosanct. But itong nangyayari ngayon dito, ang publiko ang importante rito. Where does the Constitution emanate from? From the public. From the people of the Republic. So, desisyonan nyo na to, Mr. President, para matapos na.
Sir President, can I have my 2 minutes? Dun sa sinabi ni Senate President Soto that ang gusto ng tao ay mag-umpisa na, precisely, kanina pa dapat tayo nag-umpisa kung nag-preside ang Senate President. Secondly, this is when you have threshold issues that go into due process fairness. If we're gonna say that ang gusto ng tao i-convict na lang, then let's just blurt it out. Now, if we're gonna say we want a fair trial, let's make sure that every aspect of this trial is fair.
Another day, another pasiatan sa pinita mga bossing. Anong masasabi natin? Comment down below and please share.
I'm sick and tired of this dirty war politics.